I'm about to show you something we don't really talk publicly about yet. It's a feature inside Ohai that our power users have quietly figured out, and once you see it, it will change the way you use O and run your household forever. We don't market it loudly because it's still new, but since you're a YouTube subscriber, you get the inside scoop. Most people think that to-dos are just a list of stuff you have to do. There's a second kind of to-do, where instead of you actually doing it, O can do it for you, automatically, on a schedule that you set. We call this assign to O. Let me show you. I'm creating a new to-do, and you can do this by typing or speaking by voice to O. And here I'm asking O to look up kid-friendly weekend activities under $20 due every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Take note that you will need a date and time for this trick to work. See that? O just noticed this is something it can handle for me. Now, every Wednesday, O looks up local weekend activities and sends them to me. I have plenty of time to plan the weekend, and I don't have to remember to ask. Next, this is my favorite. So title, check the weather every morning. Description, look up the weather and tell me what to expect. And if it's raining, set a reminder to bring an umbrella. That's it. Now, every morning, O checks the forecast for me. And if it's about to pour, it'll message me before I leave. No more checking different websites. Next example, titling this Run Priority. I'm asking O to check the weather in the morning. And if it's not going to rain, find 45 minutes on my calendar to go for a run. So now O is doing two things. It's checking the weather and looking at my schedule. If it's a nice day and I have a window, it carves out time. No guilt, no manual rescheduling. Next up, automated meal prep. This one is so that I don't forget and I can make sure to do my shopping on Sunday before the week begins. So title this meal prep. Description, suggest healthy and easy meals for the weekday dinners ahead. Kid-friendly, no peanuts. Due at 9 a.m. on Sunday. You have to have a date and you have to have a time. Every Sunday, O sends me 4 kid-friendly weeknight dinner ideas, no peanuts, ready for me to just grab a grocery list from. The mental load of what are we going to eat this week is just gone. How about regular checklists or packing lists or shopping lists you need at the right time? For example, title this back to school shopping list. Description suggests a back to school shopping list for the kids. Dating this every August 1 recurring every year at 9 a.m. Every year, right when you're starting to think about it, O hands you a fresh shopping list. And here's the trick. You can spell out exactly what you want on it. You don't have to come up with a new list every year. It just shows up when you need it. If O has to go find something out, look something up, or plan something for you, then O can take it. It won't be able to do other things yet that require a human, such as filling out forms, but we have an exciting roadmap ahead, so stay tuned. Now, recurring to-dos. Here's the other thing most users don't realize. Even when O isn't doing the to-do for you, you can still set any to-do on repeat. So things you normally try to keep in your head become automatic. Here are a few I personally use. Change the HVAC filter first of every month. Book the family's annual physicals every January. Soon, O is actually going to be able to book these doctor appointments for you, but that's another video for another day. Book an anniversary dinner every January 20th, or review last month's credit card statement first of every month. They just show up on my to-dos when I need it, so no more manual entries. Quick clarification, what is the difference between recurring reminders and recurring to-dos? So recurring reminders are nudges for the in-the-moment stuff, things you need a tap on the shoulder for, like remind me to turn off the lights every evening at 10 p.m., or remind me to stretch my legs every hour while I'm at work, or remind me to wind down at 9 p.m. You're not adding anything to a list, you just want O to ping you in the moment. Recurring to-dos are different. They live on your to-do list and will stay there unless you mark it done. They're things you want to track, to check off. If it's a ping me in the moment thing, that's a reminder. We're still calling this feature new because we're still improving it every week. But the people who found it are getting hours of their week back. Try one, pick the use case that sounds most like your life and set it up tonight. And if you come up with a great one, share it with us. Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more. See you in the next video.